Welcome to Breadboard. Now let's make a very basic AI-based chat application. Okay, first of all, go into the Figma and then import your UI design using Figma to Code plugin. Make sure to copy as a HTML and then paste to Breadboard. Now let's organize it inside the frame and then do a bit of a cleanup. And then we're going to rename this message generation space as messages so that it's easy to remember. And then let's create the UI component. So the blue one represents the user message, and the gray bubble represents the messages generated by the AI. All good. And then we're going to add the properties called the message. And these properties will make the logic building a lot easier and simpler. So we'll do the same thing for the AI message. All right, let's do the quick test to see if the instances is added correctly. Okay, hello world works, so we're gonna delete it. Okay, and then I'm gonna add like a text input component to make sure that when I type something here, then the text is printed. And then let's add the logic here. So when I press enter, then I want to create this blue bubble and put the text that I just typed from the text input. All good. Yeah, and then let's add these blue bubbles that are generated inside the message container. And I also want to delete what I typed previously whenever the new blue bubble is added. And let's test it. Yeah, works really well. Now let's add Gemini by using fetch. Yeah, I just copy paste the pre-made fetch block to save time. And then I want to use the set value to extract value from the fetched API. And then I would like to create this gray AI bubble based on the API response that I receive. Yeah, let's use the result of make and then connect this message attribute to generate the text received from the API. And then I want to append this gray bubble I generated. And then let's test it to see if it works. Okay, I typed tell me a joke and the API responded to me. Great, now it works. Thanks for watching.